Lotus Biscoff Cheesecake recipe. Yes, your waistline's not going to thank me, but your taste buds are. You want to take 180 grams of Biscoff biscuits and just give them a bash up until they turn into crumbs. Then to that you want to add 90 grams of melted butter. Mix that all round and then you're going to pop it into a spring form tin. Mine's a 20 centimetre one that I use. Pop it all in and then you want to press it into the bottom. Now I'm using a coffee tamperer. Works really quite well. Pop it in the fridge whilst you do the filling. Melt 50 grams of butter in a saucepan and to it you will be adding this Biscoff spread. I'm adding around about 300 grams of it. Melt it down until it's all smooth. Then in a bowl place 180 ml of whipping or double cream along with 450 grams of soft cheese, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just whiz that up until it's like soft peaks. Once that Lotus Biscoff spread is sort of cooled down a little bit, you're going to add it to this soft cream cheese mixture. Just whiz it round and just make sure that you've got everything combined by using a spatula. Then you're going to pop this onto that biscuit base and you want to place it in the fridge for around about 3 hours. I actually like to leave it overnight. It's then simply a case of choosing what you top it with. So much, trust me, I've made these over the years, but caramel and these sort of crunchy caramel bits and pieces is a favourite. But there you go. This is delicious and I can assure you you'll be making it time and again. And if you want the recipe for it, you do know where to go by now. cookingwithemily.co.uk.